I'd like to share with you how to start a live broadcast in one click. Firstly, open the live streaming software website, log in, create a live streaming web page, and press Ctrl+C to copy the key. Open the third-party streaming tool OBS, go to Settings, Live Streaming, select the live streaming software, then press Ctrl+V to paste the streaming code and connect it to the live streaming software. Open the game and click the plus below OBS, then select Window Capture, select the game window. At this point, OBS will display the game window screen. Open the operation panel, drag the operation stream into the blank button, and click to open. Then input the operation steps. The first step is to set the URL of the website you want to stream on. Remember to copy and paste the URL. The second step is to set the game software you need to open. The third step is to set the streaming software OBS that you need to open. The fourth step is to set the shortcut key for starting the live stream automatically in OBS. Select the streaming, open OBS, then click Tools, WebSocket Server Settings, and copy and paste the server IP and password to connect OBS. Setting the reaction time of OBS to 5 seconds would be a safer option. Finally, click the operation stream to achieve one-click live streaming.